I always forget my outlet adapter abroad. I never can post my selfies. Hey, today we're going to talk about Francis Crick's adapter hypothesis, mainly tRNA. The man with the funny eyebrows staring back at you is Francis Crick, the man who created the adapter hypothesis. It was seen as a missing link between the process of translation from the mRNA codon to amino acid. Just like an adapter that we use to charge our mobile phones, the tRNA molecule attaches to the mRNA ribosomal complex to add appropriate amino acids to its growing polypeptide chain. By bringing appropriate amino acids to the ribosome, it is acting as an intermediate or mediator in building an appropriate polypeptide chain. That is why the adapter molecule is given to tRNA. The tRNA molecule has anticodons which are complementary to the codons present on the mRNA molecule. For instance, if you look at the diagram, you can see there's a codon of AGC on the mRNA. The tRNA will have an anticodon set of UCG, basically a complementary pair of the codons on mRNA. The tRNA will also have an amino acid that's on its acceptor arm. The tRNA will come from the 3 to 5 direction through the ribosome and settle on the codon that's with its pair. So for AGC, it'll be UCG. As it settles, it'll add its amino acid onto the ever-growing polypeptide chain. This longer polypeptide chain creates our proteins that help us form other living tissue. This process will continue to repeat itself with tRNA coming through the 3 to 5 direction through the ribosome and leaving its amino acid on the polypeptide chain until a specific protein is created. A mutation in one or more bases of one of the stems in the tRNA structure can prevent tRNA from acting as an adapter that follows the universal genetic code. This would result in an improper or disruption in the process of translation. If there is any change in the codon due to a mutation that may have occurred in the DNA molecule, tRNA will not be able to bind to that codon. Any change in the tRNA molecule also will make it difficult to bind to mRNA. Such changes in tRNA molecule will not allow protein synthesis to go on properly. Proteins are very important for cell functioning. If proteins are not synthesized, a lot of cellular functions and metabolism of the cell can get affected and cells will not be able to survive. Well, thank you for listening to me about adapter hypothesis.